Hot diggity dog, we're doing corn dogs today.
Corn dog, yummy, yummy, yummy.
So if you don't know, corn dogs are my favorite street fair, carnival food. I love corn dogs, and I don't know who else doesn't like corn dogs. It's delicious. It's literally a hot dog dipped in cornbread batter, which is king of all breads in my opinion. Cornbread is my favorite, deep fried and served, and it's so delicious. It's so easy to make, and it's really fun, especially now that it's summer, it's hot, you want fair food, but you want to deal with crowds. Let's get it, let's go guys. Let's get down with the dog today. What? Let's get hot dog today. We're making corn dogs. Let's get it. Let's go.
今夜は素敵な夜、きらめく幾千の星、いつもと違う場所で過ごすを自由に楽しんでいればいい。見てごらん、いい顔してる、見せたことない姿、いつもと違う場所で過ごすを自由に楽しんでいればいい。見てごらん、いい顔してる、輝く星たちのよう、いつもと違う場所で過ごすを自由に楽しんでいればいい。
Okay, so here they are. Look at my corn dogs. And they smell good. I added half mustard. I don't like ketchup with my corn dogs. I think mustard is a perfect little zing to it. The mozzarella cheese one looks really goopy. Looks kind of transformed a little bit. So let's give it a shot. Let me move my hair out of the way. Okay, look at the mustard. I'm scared that the mustard's gonna, yeah, drop. Okay. Cheers. It's good. Tastes like a corn dog. I mean, honestly, I've not had a bad corn dog. Comforting junk food. Okay. Let's try the cheese one. This is the one with the cheese. I'm scared how hot it might be, so. I know this was a really quick video. I wanted to share my favorite summer treats and how to make it at home. It's super easy. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like food like this, or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Comment down below what's your favorite carnival, fair, attraction, street food snack. I'll catch you guys later. Bye!